far. Maybe Abiodun stays on.
She's got the headband on now, all bandaged up, going through some of the concussion protocols. She might be able to carry on here.
Wow. That is a soldier. What a warrior.
Got about 5 or 6 different sets of eyes for medical. They have the independent medical staff as well. How about this? Abiodun back on the field as Jan Sauter cuts it back. News drives it across. Carl the clearance. Rodman now trying to play out. And there's Abiodun getting right into the play after coming back on. Give a lot of credit to the medical staff. They came on. They treated it right away.